Can we recover deleted call history? In today's video, we're going to figure out whether we can recover our deleted call history on our iPhone or not. Whether you've accidentally deleted it or just need to restore old call logs, we've got you covered with some simple solutions, so let's get into it. Sometimes we accidentally delete important call logs, but don't panic. There are a few ways you can try to recover those deleted calls. We're going to walk through the most effective methods for restoring our call history on iPhone. Let's go ahead and take a look. First step is to check the recently deleted folder in the phone app. Before we dive into more complex methods, let's first check the most obvious place. If you've recently deleted the call logs, they might still be in your iPhone's recently deleted folder, just like deleted photos or messages. Open the phone app and simply go to the Recents tab. From there, scroll all the way down, and if you see a recently deleted section, tap on it and check if your deleted call logs are there. Now, if we cannot find it, let's move on to the next step. Now, what we can do is go and restore from iCloud backup. Go to settings and simply go to iCloud. And once you've gone on iCloud, select iCloud backup and check the date of your last backup. If the backup is from a time before the call logs were deleted, you can restore it. To restore from backup, go to settings and just go back to general and select reset and simply tap on erase all content and settings. This will wipe your iPhone, but don't worry, you can restore everything from the backup during the setup process. And that's it. These are some of the ways you can recover your call logs.